In today's video, I'm going to teach you make sketchnotes with Gemini in 60 seconds for free. We'll keep it simple, fast, and totally beginner-friendly. The goal is to get clean, informative notes and instantly turn them into a polished sketchnote-style visual without any paid tools. Start by opening Gemini in your browser. Once you're on the main chat screen, head to the message box and paste the first prompt. It's also in the description so you can copy it easily. Here's what you'll enter. Identify and explain the solar system. Be specific and to the point. Provide relevant examples. Audience is middle school students. This prompt tells Gemini exactly what kind of content you want. Concise, accurate notes with age-appropriate explanations. Let it generate the response. You should see a tight, structured summary. Perfect raw material for a sketch note. Once Gemini finishes, it's time to turn those notes into a visual. Paste the second prompt, which is also in the description. Use it exactly as written for the best look. Create a hand-drawn sketch note, visual summary of these notes. Use a pristine white paper background, no lines. The art style should be graphic recording or visual thinking, using black ink fine liners for clear outlines and text. Use colored markers, specifically teal, orange, and muted red, for simple shading and accents. Center the main title in a 3D-style rectangular box. Surround the title with radially distributed simple doodles, business icons, stick figures, and graphs that explain the concepts. Use arrows to connect ideas. The text should be distinct, handwritten, all caps printing, legible and organized like a professional brainstorming session. 16.9. After you paste that, look for the Tools option in Gemini. Click Tools, then click Create Image. This tells Gemini to move from text to visuals and apply the exact style instructions you gave it. The 16:9 aspect ratio helps the layout fit nicely on screens and slides. Now, wait patiently while it generates. Don't click around or resend prompts. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the image appear based on the notes from the first prompt and the layout rules from the second. The result should look like a clean white canvas with a bold center title, meaningful doodles around it, arrows that guide the eye, and pops of teal, orange, and muted red to highlight key ideas. That's it. Open Gemini, run the content prompt, paste the visual prompt, click Tools, click Create Image, and wait for your sketch note to render. All prompts are listed in the description below so you can follow along seamlessly.